Here we have this 20 plate BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport. Comes with the LED headlights with the kidney grills in the centre. We've also got the black splitter at the bottom, making this front end look very aggressive. We've got front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera with an in-car visual display. We've also got the 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels there. We've also got the side skirts running across the bottom in black. Black roof rails, privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with the black trim around the outside with the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We've also got the colour-coded shark fin antenna and spoiler at the back there. Making our way to the rear, you can see we've got the dual exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser at the bottom with the parking sensors running across the middle of the bumper. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with a grey stitching, isofix points with the armrest in the centre. We've also got the electric windows on the door just there. Onto the front, we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather with the grey stitching. Both of these seats are heated, and there is a look at those. Onto the door, we've got the folding mirrors with the electric windows. We've also got the child lock at the rear with the door handle just here. Ambient lighting running across the doors as well. Automatic lights with the automatic wipers with the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on. My foot is on the brake. Press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights other than the fuel. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter with a paddle shift on the left hand side, and we've also got the volume button with the digital trip and the paddle shift on the right hand side. So if you just press this button here, it comes up with the different functions you can have on the digital dashboard just there. Onto the main screen, you can see that we've got the satellite navigation. We've also got the DAB radio with the Bluetooth media down the left hand side. We've also got the Bluetooth phone connectivity. If I just go to the home screen and go all the way down to apps, you can see that this vehicle also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and we've also got a couple of other apps installed in there as well. Back to the home screen to car. If we just go into settings and across to interior lighting, you'll be able to see this vehicle has the ambient lighting, and you can also change the colour all the way from bronze all the way down to lilac. And as you can see here, it runs across the dashboard and into the door just there. Now as we move down, we've got the dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides. We've also got the heated rear window with the air conditioning just there. We've also got the CD player. We've got the automatic gearbox with the dial and the manual functions for the screen with the different drive modes. So if I just press this button, comes up on screen all the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven. Now I'm just going to pop this car into reverse, and you'll be able to see we've got the rear reversing camera with the guidelines on display as well. Popping it back into neutral, keeping this car safe. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.